MK Youth League in KwaZulu-Natal iresolute ukuthi abantu bangaphandle abala ngongemthetho mabahambe they must pack their bags. Amazani bemileyo Benyamazane sibiziwe Benyamazane yaliwayo Benyamazane sibiziwe Benyamazane bemileyo Benyamazane gerila Awuthina sifuna masosha Asifuna magerila Awuthina sifuna masosha Awuthina sifuna magerila Gerila Tabata Nyamazane Gerila Tabata Nyamazane Zebra Mkondo Alliance Zebra Mkondo Alliance bonke labantu amasosha bonke labantu amasosha inali igeja lisendlini linombhobho omnyama ngaphambili wena ngaphambili shona phansi wena ngemuva dubula inali igeja lisendlini linombhobho omnyama ngaphambili wena ngaphambili shona phansi wena ngemuva dubula amandla howethu jikijela Mkondo jikijela jikijela Mkondo jikijela phila njalo President Zuma phila njalo phila njalo Nxamalala phila njalo forward with President Putin of Russia forward forward with President Jinping of China forward forward with President Muma of India forward forward with President Lula of Brazil forward forward with President Zuma forward and igama kuliqiniso usanele Slovo Washani the coordinator of the MK Youth League eprovinsini yaKwaZulu-Natal. Ngizocela uqale ngibingelele ubuholi be-MK Party obukhona ngaphansi kwethu wonke ama-levels. Ngibingelele ubuholi be-MK Youth League wonke ama-levels. Ngibingelele abaphathi abaholi be-religion abefundisi labo. Ngibingelele amasosha mayekhona. Ngibingelele i-MKSM as led by Thami Khuzwayo. Comrades, njoba silana-ke njengomkhonto wesizwe sizo-reaffirma kunini ukuthi ngomhla ka-29 May umkhonto wesizwe uzowina ngo-2/3 majority. Ebese-ke siba nezicelo njengentsha ngoba sikwazi ukuthi sifike support umkhonto ebese iy'dingo zethu njengentsha zinganziwa. Okokuqala comrades, as the MK Youth League sithi abantu abasha mabaqashwe. Abantu abasha asisho ukuthi abaqashwe nje sishiye kanjalo. Siyazi ukuthi ukuze qasha abantu abasha kumele uprioritize i-local manufacturing. Awukwazi ukuba nezinto ey'ningi ey'khiqizwa kwamanye amazwe zifike ngemkhumbi la singakwazi ukuyikhiqiza. So sithi sifuna ukuyikhiqizela ama-goods so that abantu abasha bezokwazi ukuthola imisebenzi. Number 2, kuleyo msebenzi esuke sifune siyesibone lapha uma kuthiwa apply kuthiwa lethi experience ka-3 years. Sizoyithatha i-experience ka-3 years senza ama-internship for 1 year. Ngakho i-MK Party mayithatha ipower sithi ayistraphe off lento ye-experience. Siphinde size kwi-age restriction. Uma kuqashwa kuthiwa 18 to 35. Umuntu ona-36 akalambi yena. Naye kumele akwazi ukuqashwa asebenze akwazi ukondla umndeni wakhe. Ebese sithi i-EPWP must be employed permanently. Bonke abasebenzi be-EPWP abaqashwe bethola ama-benefits kahulumeni. Ebese i-MK Youth League in KwaZulu-Natal iresolute ukuthi abantu bangaphandle abala ngongemthetho mabahambe they must pack their bags. We are unapologetic about that. They must pack their bags and vamoose. Hayi ngoba sibazonda. No. we love them dearly. Kodwa inkinga yabo, number 1, badayisela intsha ama-drugs. Number 2, bashintsha osisi bethu babenza ama-prostitute. Number 3, badayisa ukudla okubolile bedayisela abantu bethu. Lokho kudla abakudayisayo abadili ukuthi besibulale ngakho, babulala amabhizinisi abantu abamnyama selokishini. Uqali bengikwazi ukuthenga isinkwa kaDlamini, ngikwazi ukuthenga kaDube, lezo zitolo zifike manje. Ngoba ukwazi ukukhompitha nomuntu ozenzela yena isinkwa azakhele yena udrink omkokotela. So we are saying, based on those reasons, abahambe. Abahamba abantu bangaphandle bahambe. Abahamba abantu bangaphandle bahambe. Comrades, bese sibuya sikhuluma ngokubaleka kwemfundo. Imfundo ibalekile, therefore it must be accessible to everyone mahala. Siyabonga kubaba uNcamalala ukuthi wakwazi ukuthi athi free education. Kodwa sesicela ukuthi ke i-free education ingakhokhelwa ama-taxpayers. Ayikhokhelwe yilabo abantu abaphethe umnotho wethu. Johan Rupert, Oppenheimers, Minel family, they must pay. Akungabuyi kuthiwa into mahala kanti ikhokhwa yithi esisebenzayo futhi. Uma mahala into ayikhokhwe umnotho wezwe lethu. Bese siyabuya comrades size as kwi-medical care system. I-medical care system yethu collapsile. Uthi uma ufika lapha ufika udokotela wedwa kumele attend abantu abawu-20. We are saying ugovernment we-MK must employ enough staff ukuthi sosebenza ey'bhedlela. Kumele belungise i-infrastructure ey'bhedlela abantu bekwazi ukusebenza. Bese sizongena kwi-issue yomnotho. Umnotho wale country onwa yi-minority encane yabamhlophe. Yingakho thina abantu abamnyama sihlupheka. Abantu abamhlophe kwayiwa kwi-reconciliation process. Kwathiwa bayaxolisa babulala abantu abamnyama during apartheid. Uxolisa kanjani kodwa ungawubuyisa umhlaba back? Awukwazi ungena emzini wami ungishaye ungibulale uthathe imoto yami uhambe nayo. Mase ubuye uzoxolisa awusayibuyisa imoto. Therefore if they are truly sorry, they must bring back our land. From that day, we will be able to forgive white people for all the atrocities. For now, we will not forgive them up until they bring back our land. Ebese City, njengomkhonto wesizwe, MK Youth in KwaZulu-Natal. Umsholozi khona ispeech akasisho wathi capitalism is a crisis kind of society. Wayesho ukuthini mayisho njalo? Wayesho ukuthi zonke inkinga esinazo lesizibonayo ziqhamuka ngoba khona baphethe umnotho kodwa abafuna ukushare kuona. Ngakho thina nje MK Youth was saying we must nationalize banks. Ama-banks are owned wabantu. We must nationalize the mines. Ama-mine are owned wabantu through i-management ka-government. Ingakho sifuna uku-nationalize ukuze abantu bakithi bezokwazi ukubuyela umnotho. Ngakho comrades, on the 29th of May, ilapho khona uCyril azoqaphela khona isisu. Ngoba ngalolo suku sizokwenza sure ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyawina, hayi futhi kancane ngo2/3 majority. Ngakho ke asiphumeni sonke comrades. Siyoncenga intombi zethu ngisho i-ex yakho ubuyele kuyona. Uyayincenga wenza ngathi uyayithanda kwamanje. For the sake of election, awu niwazonda kangaka ama-ex? Hayi mina ngizonda kangaka ama-ex angizwacela. Comrades, asihambeni soncenga wonke umuntu ukuthi ngeyi-29 May ahambe ovotela umkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe uwona ozokwazi ukuletha inkululeko kubantu abamnyama. Okunye nokunye sesiyokubona sesikubona. Kodwa asihambeni sokwenza sure ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyawina. Amandla! Hawethu!